Welcome back to the next session on place value children. Now, in this session, we will learn about Roman numbers. What are Roman numbers? Where have we seen that numbers? Yes, we have seen in the wall clock. The numbers will be written in the Roman system. Right? Then where else did you find that? Sometimes in the wristwatch also we can see that Roman numbers. Then where else we use this Roman numbers? In the question. In the book, sometimes we will say, look at the first Roman, look at the second Roman, move on to the third Roman, right? So, Roman numbers are used in maths, not only in maths, in other subjects also we say first Roman, second Roman and third Roman, right? Here, now we will see about these Roman numbers in brief. Long ago, the Romans used 7 letters of the Latin alphabet to represent numbers. Roman people use only 7 letters to represent the numbers. What are these 7 letters? Let us see that here. First one is I, the next one is V, X, L, C, D and M. And these are Roman numbers we know. What is Hindu-Arabic numbers? The numbers that we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these are Hindu-Arabic numbers. So each Roman number has some Hindu-Arabic numbers. We can write Roman numbers in Hindu-Arabic numbers, and Hindu-Arabic numbers can be written as Roman numbers also. Right? So here for each Roman numbers we have some Hindu-Arabic numbers. So I represents 1, V represents 5, X represents 10, L represents 50, C represents 100, D represents 500 and M represents 1000. So these are the 7 letters that Roman people use to represent the numbers. Right? Got it? And there are some rules to write the numbers in the Roman system. What are the rules? Let us say that first here. The letters I, X, C and M can be repeated. These 4 letters can be repeated. But remember that they cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Yes, I repeat this again. The letters I, X, C and M can be repeated only 3 times and not more than that. The letters V, L and D are never repeated. So we cannot repeat the letters V, L and D. The values of the repeated numbers get added. Here you see that the letter I is equal to 1. 2 times I is equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2. 3 times I is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. That is, the letter I is repeated 3 times and we cannot repeat that letter more than 3 times. So we stop there. Yes. So how do we write 4? That we will see later. Now here, see here, C and C. 2 times C. That is 1 C is 100. 2 times C is 100 plus 100. That is 200. Yes. X means 10. 2 times X is 10 plus 10, 20. 3 times X is 10 plus 10 plus 10. That is 30. 3 times C is 100 plus 100 plus 100 equal to 300. And one more thing you keep in your mind, that Roman system does not have a 0. Yes, the Roman system does not have a 0. This is the basic rule that you must know. Roman system does not have 0 and the letters I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times, not more than that. The letters V, L and D are never repeated. This is the rule that you must know. Yes, let us see the next one. Now, let us see the second rule. A smaller number written to the right of a number of greater value means addition. Look at the example, first example, that is V, I is given. V means 5. We know that. After that we have I, that is 1. 5 is greater than 1. So a smaller number is there on the right side of the given number. First number is 5 and after that there is 1, 1, 1. That means if a smaller number is there on the right side of a greater number, we have to add. So here 5 is greater and after that we have on the right side the smaller number 1, 1, 1. So that means we have to add 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 which is equal to 8. So for the Roman number VIII, the Hindu Arabic number is 8. Yes. The next example is LX. L is 50 and X is 10. A bigger number is here, that is 50, whereas 10 is smaller than 50. A smaller number is on the right side of the bigger number. So that means we have to add. 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. So for the Roman number LX, the Hindu Arabic number is 60. The next example is LV. L means 50, V means 5. So 5 is the smaller number which comes on the right side of the bigger number. So that means we have to add 50 plus 5 is equal to 55. Yes. So for the Roman number LV, the Hindu Arabic number is 55. The next example is LXXVI. L is 50, we know that. X is 10. So that is the greater number is followed by the smallest number on the right side. That means we have to add up all the numbers. L is 50 plus X is 10 plus X is 10, V is 5 and I is 1. When you add up all these numbers, you get 76. So for the Hindu Arabic number 76, the Roman number is L, X, X, V, I. Understood, children? Yes. Let me move on to the next rule. A smaller number returned to the left of a number of greater value gets subtracted from the number placed after it. That means from the example you can understand that first a smaller number is there, that is I, that means 1. The next one is a bigger number. So we have to always start from the bigger number. Here the bigger number is 5. To the left of that we have 1. So if any number, that is any smaller number is there on the left side of a bigger number, that means we have to subtract. The previous rule is any smaller number on the right side we have to add. Here any smaller number to the left side we have to subtract. So here 5 is the bigger number, 1 is the smaller number, subtract 5 minus 1, that is 4. So for the Roman number IV, the Hindu Arabic number is 4. The next example is IX. Here which is bigger and which is smaller? X is bigger. To the left side of X we have I, that is 1, that is smaller. So we have to subtract 10 minus 1, that is 9. So for the Roman number IX, we have 9 in the Hindu Arabic number. Next one, X and L. Yes, what is the value for X and what is the value of L? L means 50 and X means 10. So L is 50 which is greater and X is 10 that is smaller, and that is on the left side of 50, that is L. So that means we have to subtract 50 minus 10, that is 40. So for the Roman number XL, the Hindu Arabic number is 40. The next example is XC. C means 100 and X means 10. So 100 is greater here. On the left side of 100 we have 10. So that means we have to subtract 100 minus 10, that is 90. Got it? So, the second rule is a smaller number on the right side of a bigger number, you should add. A smaller number on the right side of the number, you should add. That is the second rule. The third rule is a smaller number on the left side of a bigger number, you should subtract. These two rules are very important, children. Yes? Now, let me move on to the next rule. When a smaller number is placed between two numbers of greater value, it is subtracted from the number placed after it. Look at the example here. L, 1, 10. L is bigger among the given number. Then X is also bigger. The number which is in between, I, that is smaller. Two numbers are greater on both sides, left side and right side. In between, there is a smaller number, that is 1. So that means that smaller number should be subtracted from the number after it. So write L, that is 50 as it is. Then add 10 minus 1. Ix is 10 minus 1. Yes, that is 1 subtracted from 10. So that means 10 minus 1 is 9. So 50 plus 9 is 59. The next example, look at the next example. X, X, I, X. So on either sides, there are greater numbers. In between, there is a smallest number. So first X has 10 and second X also has 10. Add that 2, 10 plus 10. And the next number you have to write as 10 minus 1. That is I and the X. That means 1 subtracted from 10. 1 subtracted from 10 is 9. So 10 plus 10 plus 9 is 29. Got it, children? Yes. Now, I will say these rules again. For subtraction, in addition to rules 3 and 4, there are a few more conditions. Yes, we know how to add. But for subtraction, there are few more conditions. I can only be subtracted from V and X. Yes. X can only be subtracted from L and C. C can only be subtracted from D and M. V, L and D are never subtracted. So these rules are also very important. You must know these rules, right? Now we will see this next example. Convert to Roman numbers. First question is 32. Hindu-Arabic number is given. You have to convert that into Roman numbers. 32. How can we split this 32? First, take that number 32. Split this number as 30 and 2. That is 32. 30 means 3 times x. X, x, x. Plus 2 means 2 times I. So, x, x, x plus I is equal to x, 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 I. So, for the Hindu-Arabic number 32, the Roman number is x, 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 I. The next number is 46. The Hindu-Arabic number given to us is 46. Split that 46 as 40 plus 6. 40. How can we write 40? Can we write this as x, 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 x 4 times? No, because no letters are repeated more than 3 times. So how can we write 40? 40 is written as 50 minus 10. 50 means L, minus 10 means you have to write 10 before L. That means XL. XL is 40 plus 6. 6 is 5 plus 1. 5 is V plus 1 is I, so VI. So for the Hindu Arabic number 46, the Roman number is XLVI. Yes. The next example is convert to Hindu Arabic numbers. Here Roman numbers are given. You are going to convert this into Hindu Arabic numbers. Yes. What is the Roman number given here? X, X, V, I. Yes. What is X? 1x is 10. So 2x is there. That means 20. Plus V is 5 plus I is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. So 20 plus 7 is equal to 27. Yes. For the Roman numbers given, we are writing the Hindu Arabic numbers. So what will be the next one? L, X, V, I. Can you guess? So guess the answer for the next question. Find the Hindu Arabic numbers for the Roman number L, X, V, I. Yes. Look at the questions given here. First question is convert to Roman numbers. That means they have given the Hindu Arabic numbers. You are going to convert this as Roman numbers. The next one is Roman numbers are given. You are going to convert this into Hindu Arabic numbers. Yes. So there are two questions here. Now the third question is fill in the box with greater than, less than or equal to symbol. So first find the Hindu Arabic numbers for the Roman numbers given. Then put these symbols greater than, less than or equal to symbol for these Roman numbers. Somewhere here Hindu Arabic numbers are given. Yes. If addition is given, you have to add. If subtraction is given, you have to subtract. If multiplication is given, you have to multiply and find the answer and then compare. Yes, it will be easy for you. So, take your notebook, find the answers for all these three questions and check your answers also. Let us have a small recap of what we studied in this session. First, we studied about the rules to write the numbers in Roman system. Then, how to write Roman numbers for Hindu Arabic numbers, and if Hindu Arabic numbers are given, how to write the Roman numbers and vice versa. Both we studied, right? Thank you, children. Stay safe, stay at home.